Here's our video demonstration of stop and start technology. So this button here turns the system off. It's on every single time you start the car, and it's in most cars nowadays. I'm in a Ford currently, but you will find it in a lot of cars, and the symbol is always the same, so you know exactly what it is. Basically, the car is designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary to save you fuel. It is a system, as you've seen, that you can turn off. The way in which it works is that when you're stationary, if you take your foot off of the clutch and put the car in neutral, the car will cut out. The little symbol you see there will appear up on the dashboard somewhere on most cars. As soon as you put your foot back down on the clutch again, the engine will fire up, allowing you to put the car in gear and drive away. If it's in an automatic car, the second you put your foot on the brake pedal and come to a stop, while your foot is resting on the brake, the engine will cut out. As soon as you take your foot off of the brake pedal, it will start up again. Let me show you what it's like when the car is in motion and the system is active. So as we move along in traffic, you'll see that the car is moving currently. If we stop the car, put the car in neutral and take our foot off the clutch, the car will cut out, and you can see the symbol just there. The A with the half sort of circle around it is the same as the symbol on the button. Once the traffic clears, just pop your foot back down on the clutch, the car will fire up, put it in gear, and away you go. And it really does fire up very, very quickly. And when we hit traffic again, pop it in neutral, take your foot off the clutch, the car will cut out, put your foot back down on the clutch, fires up again, and off you go. So really, really clever system, works very, very well.